Hey guys, it's JB with Hannah RV here. We're in the Heritage Glen 380WDR. Great new floor plan for 2026. Going to tell you a few of the features about it. Got your recliners here, built-in desk, pantry over there. This couch folds out into a bed right here. You've got your high top table, comes with 4 bar stools or prep area. Got your TV. Hidden storage behind the TV. Full-size fridge. Full-size oven, 4-burner cooktop, tic-toc sink, dishwasher, plenty of storage, plenty of cabinets everywhere. Come with me and check out the best feature. In here you've got a full laundry room as well as a half bath, washer dryer, plenty of space to hang clothes to dry if need be, even got a sink in there. Come with me up this way, guys. Alright guys, now we're in the master bedroom. We got the king size bed on a slide, accent lights behind the headboard. You've got a shelf on each side of the bed. You've got this lovely vanity, backlit mirror, place to get ready for the missus. Coming into the bathroom, you've got a teak wood fold down seat and your full walk-in shower. Dual vanity, another backlit mirror. Then you come into the master closet. Full walk-in closet, plenty of space, shelves adjustable, and you got your hanging rack that goes around the full length. Alright guys, so now that we're done with the inside, let's go tour the outside. We've got a fabulous outdoor TV, JBL speakers both sides of the TV, tons of storage, everything you could want in this coach. It's 42 feet 10 inches long, weighs 13,000 pounds, with a hitch weight of 2350. Alright guys, so don't forget to call me, JB at Hannah RV, to get you the best deal on this great Heritage Glen 380WDR.